in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Nolan County in west central Texas, southeastern Fisher County in west central Texas until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
God, that scared me.
8:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Lorain, Oregon, 8 miles west of Roscoe, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Another severe thunderstorm was near Ruby, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard.
Triple header now.
70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source. Radar indicator.
3 alerts in one day. This is starting to catch up to the spring Saturday. Today's getting crazy. Hopefully we get 4 alerts.
And vehicles.
Haha.
Expect wind damage.
You don't need to worry about my little brother. He's sick.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Wasdell around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Champion around 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Listen to radio.
Around 8:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sweetwater around 8.
God, static. It's heavy right now.
Severe thunderstorm included a C4 near the Nolan-Fisher County line, I-20 near the Nolan-Mitchell County line.
3 radios. That one's out of service.
Road 608 and
So,
Highway 147.
farewell. Your replacements are here.
This includes Interstate 20
Jeez, that
between
scared
mile
me.
229 and 257. For your protection, move to an interior route.
Blah, blah, blah. Everybody doesn't care.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this
Just kidding, I care.
flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle.
I have to save my life.
The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pasco County and west central. 30 p.m. Central Daylight.
Not expecting.